Slay, and I am back with another video. Today I am bringing you a grass wall DIY. I've been wanting a grass wall for so long, and you know what? It's time. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so what I'm showing you here is the female and male connectors. So on the back side of the grass panels is a female connector, and then on the front side there's a male connector. So I'm going to show you right there. It's hidden underneath the grass. So these panels did come from Amazon. I will be sure to link them below in the description. It was very consistent in color. I had no issues with buying two boxes that didn't come in the same color. So, whew, I was scared because I saw reviews for other grass companies like that. So I was scared I was going to have the issue with this company. But yes, so I'm just connecting all the panels together, and I'm going to put it up on the wall with T-pins. So I thought, and I quickly learned that, babe, around the perimeter of the walls are studs, and you can't get T-pins through studs. So I had to quickly get my staple gun and use my staple gun from there. Thank goodness I am a DIY connoisseur and I have these type of tools laying around. So I'm gonna go ahead and staple the top piece first, just so I can, let the entire strip hang and just come down the ladder and just staple, staple, staple. I'm gonna staple on the corners, the middle, the other side of the grass, the bottom sides, and then in the bottom middle, just to make sure it's secure. Any pieces that kind of bubbled out, because in the box, a few of the panels, I was excited because I got my first strip up. But, a few of the panels were bubbled up, or I don't know how to describe that, but they were like, yeah, they had like a bubble. You know how a rug, if it's rolled, it will have that indent of the roll in it. That's what I'm trying to say. It had like an indent of like a hump. So all I did to fix that, y'all, was literally just whatever section of the panel was humped up, I pressed it against the wall flat and used my staple gun and stapled where it was humped out, and it fixed it, and it looks just fine. So these grass panels are by a company called Vevor on Amazon, and they only have 124 reviews, and I don't know why. Maybe because there's a bigger brand on Amazon that has way more reviews and stuff like that. But these grass panels, the color was amazing. Y'all see that color on these grass panels? And this is not a paid promo. I bought these myself. Trust me, they were very expensive. I paid $149 per box. So it was my own hard-earned money. Now, if you do want to, sponsor your girl, please do. Vevor, holla at your girl. I got plenty of the DIYs to do with grass. Come on. It came 24 pieces in the box, and there were 20 by 20 panels. So you do the math on that. So I bought 48 panels in total, and I ended up with 8 additional pieces left. I thought I was going to have enough to do the sides of the wall on the other side, because I have like a little strip of a wall, like basically 6 panels of the 20 by 20. That's how big the strip of wall is on the opposite side. So I thought I was going to have some room or some panels left to fill that portion of the wall, but I didn't. But that's fine. I'll buy another box. I didn't show the part where I cut around the wall outlet, but I'm about to do the bottom half of the outlet. So basically, you just have your little handy dandy box cutter, and you just, put the panel on there and then just cut around. Go ahead and staple and then cut around the outlet. Make sure it's not covering the outlet anyway, because you don't want any type of fires. These are the half pieces that I was telling you about. So I did 6 whole panels, and then it's really not even a whole half. It's like a half of a half. So, because I still had to cut some of that, trim that off the bottom. So I'm just stapling that piece on, and then I'm going to take my box cutter and cut the excess off. You guys, don't staple on the leaves. As you can see, I'm peeling the leaves back and then stapling on the grid line. Okay, don't staple your leaves. You want those leaves to pop out and, be nice and fluffed when you are installing this. If you want your panels to cover your baseboards, that is totally fine. But I wanted mine to come just above the baseboards. And then I'm leaving like little pieces to hang, just a little pieces. It doesn't have to be exactly straight. I want it to look like an authentic grass wall. So yeah, it looks cute. I like it. And I'm gonna show you guys me revamping my entire office in a whole separate video. This is just the start. If you guys are here from the beginning, where I had just moved into my house and I was, redecorating and doing room by room, I still haven't given y'all a house tour, and I really need to do that. But I need to actually decorate my master bedroom. I've decorated everything else in the house. I put focus on that and have not decorated my master bedroom. Like, I have my California King bed. I have my mirror in my side chair. And I just have like little Mitch Max side tables. And one of those little cute cubey things that my TV is sitting on. It's like not decorated like I want it. So I'm definitely going to do that. And then at that point, that's when I will give y'all a house tour video where I'm showing you like where I decorated everything. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. I love this grass wall. It is so pretty, and I love the papa green color in my office. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Y'all, this is your girl, Jay Slay, and I will be back with another video. Bye.